Hi guys, today we make the munay pandesal. Doon, I'm already prepared the breadcrumbs. All is there is 12 pieces only guys. I'm already put the dough in the breadcrumbs. After 2 hours guys, my munay pandesal is time to bake. I'm already preheated on 250 degrees Celsius the oven. And then, time to go inside. After that, I adjust again the temperature on 180 degrees Celsius on 15 minutes. And guys, after 15 minutes guys, my munay pandesal is done. Look at that guys, it looks perfect. Even though I'm first time to make the munay pandesal because I really miss to eat guys. Then, we time to taste guys. Look perfect. Time to taste what it tastes. Really soft guys. I'm using bread flour. Oh, look perfect guys. Yummy. That's it for today guys. Thank you for watching.